Hello everyone. I hope you're all doing well. In this video, I will introduce the G-Weike Laser G2 unboxing. The package size is 834,217.5. The G-Weike laser accessories include a user manual. Provides comprehensive guidance on the operation and maintenance of the G2 laser machine. A piece of paper containing various workspace measurements. A focal length ruler. Several black-coated aluminum parts for testing. A set of working panel and positioning plate. A signal cable connection between the laser source and the galvanometer. A pair of safety goggles. Two-part cube to elevate the focal point of the laser system. A piece of L-shaped quick connect fixing plate. A set of tools accessories kit. A laser head power cable. And USB-C cable. A pair of brackets for laser source. A power adapters. A power connection cable. A set of tools accessories kit. A laser source. And USB flash disk. A laser head. A lifting platform. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed the video, please like and subscribe for more content.